Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Dell. Roblox offers a vast universe of games and creative experiences, and your Dell computer is perfectly capable of running it. Whether you have a standard laptop or a dedicated gaming rig, getting started is straightforward. We will cover everything from checking your system specifications to optimizing your gameplay for the best possible performance. Let's dive into making your Roblox adventures on Dell seamless and enjoyable. To ensure Roblox runs well on your Dell, let's review the key system requirements. You'll want a processor from 2005 or newer, running at 1.6 GHz or faster. For memory, at least 1 GB of RAM is recommended for Windows 10 or 11. Your graphics card should support DirectX 10 or higher. Also, make sure you have at least 300 megabytes of free storage. Finally, a stable internet connection of 4 to 8 megabits per second is crucial for smooth online play. Optimizing your Dell for Roblox can significantly enhance your gameplay. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics quality. A medium or high setting often provides a good balance. Always close any background applications you aren't using to free up valuable system resources. Keeping your graphics drivers and Windows operating system updated is also vital for performance. For dedicated graphics cards, ensure Roblox is set to high performance in your system settings. A wired internet connection can also provide a more stable experience. Even with a well-optimized system, you might encounter occasional issues. A simple reboot of your Dell can often fix many common Roblox problems. Regularly clearing your temporary internet files and browser cache can also prevent glitches. If Roblox isn't connecting, check your firewall and antivirus software to ensure they aren't blocking the application. For persistent crashing or installation loops, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often the most effective solution. Remember to close all other programs before any installation or update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.